Welcome to the Introduction to Real Estate Marketing Regulations. This session provides an overview of key units covering residential, commercial, industrial, and special properties. Understanding these regulations is crucial for effective property marketing. Let's delve into the specifics of advertising regulations and compliance with various authorities' guidelines. Real estate advertisements must adhere to the Code of Ethics, ensuring clear identification of agents and compliance with Urban Redevelopment Authority, Housing and Development Board, and other guidelines. Advertisements should accurately represent properties, avoiding misleading information. Compliance with regulations like the Building Control, Outdoor Advertising, and the Personal Data Protection Act is crucial for maintaining professional standards in property marketing. Ethical advertising in real estate requires compliance with the Estate Agents Act and owner consent. Advertisements must be accurate and non-misleading. This ensures trust and transparency in marketing both local and foreign properties, aligning with ethical standards and legal requirements. Urban Redevelopment Authority guidelines dictate marketing strategies for residential properties, emphasizing location and condition. Pricing factors include tenure, location, and property condition. Special considerations apply to landed and non-landed properties, such as redevelopment potential and foreign ownership restrictions. Compliance with Urban Redevelopment Authority and Housing and Development Board guidelines is crucial for effective marketing. In marketing commercial properties, it's crucial to identify key players like developers, real estate investment trusts, and government bodies. Understand the types of properties, such as strata and non-strata, and adhere to Urban Redevelopment Authority and Housing and Development Board guidelines. Consider factors like accessibility, size, and supporting facilities. Ensure compliance with regulations to effectively market offices, retail shops, and other commercial spaces. Industrial property marketing requires understanding market players like developers and real estate investment trusts. Pricing factors include strata-titled property considerations such as loading facilities and access roads. Special marketing considerations involve goods lifts and unloading facilities. These elements are crucial for effective marketing strategies in the industrial sector. Urban Redevelopment Authority's conservation guidelines emphasize maximum retention, sensitive restoration, and careful repair. Conservation properties include shop houses and bungalows, with advantages like prime locations and high land content. However, they face challenges such as costly repairs and restrictions on redevelopment. Marketing these properties requires understanding location, development options, and permissible use. In conclusion, staying informed and continuously learning about real estate marketing regulations is crucial for success. Apply this knowledge diligently in your practice to navigate the complexities of property marketing effectively. Embrace ongoing education to remain competitive and compliant in the ever-evolving real estate landscape.